Accredited VACC Automotive Repair Station, East Keilor, Victoria. This accredited VACC Automotive Repair Station is in a strong growth area, just 13 kilometres from Melbourne CBD. Shell East Keilor offers huge potential for growth with new management, a fresh identity, refurbishment and increased marketing. Buy both the business property and the adjoining residential property for a larger development, such as a self-service fuel station. Alternatively, as a prime investment area, use the currently approved council permits for 12 residential townhouses. Located opposite a busy shopping centre, the business sits close to the Tullamarine Freeway and M80 Ring Road Freeway. This strong growth area has several residential developments planned due to its proximity to the city, ports and airports.